In this video, I'm going to show you how to use cashback on TikTok in 2026 and maximize your savings while shopping on TikTok Shop. So first click on a cashback link from our trusted cashback site or extension before opening TikTok Shop. This ensures your purchases are tracked properly for cashback reward. Now browse TikTok Shop and add the items you want to your cart just like you normally would. Make sure to complete your purchase in the same session to ensure your cashback is recorded correctly. After your purchase, your cashback will usually move from pending to payable status within 60 to 90 days. Patience is key here. You can also combine cashback with TikTok promo codes or coupons for extra savings at checkout. It's a great way to get more value from your purchase. So once your cashback is confirmed, you can withdraw it via PayPal, bank transfer, or any payout method supported by your cashback platform. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.